Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to learn some more features of Home tab like percentage, accounting format, comma, increase decimal, decrease decimal like this. So first we will learn accounting format. So I will select these investments, and if I want to convert these investments in like either USD format or INR format or Euro format, whatever you wish to, so in that case what we will do is we'll just go to Home tab and click here, and you can see various options are available: India, UK, Euro, United States dollar, like INR, rupees, whatever. So if you want to reflect these data in INR, then just click rupee symbol and see INR symbol gets applied to the data. And if you don't want INR but if you want dollar for that, then just click on dollar here. See, so this feature is basically for if you want to convert the data into accounting format with the currency symbol. Okay, and now let's move to percentage. And if you want to convert some data into percentage format, then just select that data and click on percentage over here, and see, automatically percentage will get applied. I'll just do Control Z. And if you want to see here, for these data there is no comma available. Okay, so if you want to convert these data or separate these amount by a comma, then just select that data and just click on comma, and comma gets applied. Okay, and if you want to increase, just a minute. Yeah, if you want to increase, I'm selecting these data only. If you want to increase decimal point means after the point, if you want to add some more zeros, then in that case just click on this. See, as you click, if you want uh, as per your requirement, you can like add the zeros after the decimal point. And if you want to decrease the decimal point, just click on this. See, and this amount will get rounded off if you decrease the decimal. See, if you don't want any amount in a decimal format, if you want it to be rounded off, then just select those amounts and just decrease the decimal points. See, okay. And now next move to this one, insert option. You can insert the cell, insert rows, insert columns, etc. If I want to insert column after this B column, then just click on this C column and just go to insert columns. See, one more columns get added. And if you want to add one more row after first row, then just click on this and just click on insert row. See, likewise you can insert cells, insert sheet, etc. If you click on insert sheet, one more sheet will get inserted. Okay, this is the basic one, but I am explaining. And if you want to sort the data by I'll just do Control Z. If you want to sort the data by like smallest to largest or largest to smallest, then in that case you can use sort function. Sort function is used basically to arrange the data as per your requirement. Like if you want to arrange the data from A to Z or Z to A or smallest to largest or largest to smallest, in that case you can arrange the data as per your requirements. For example, I am selecting B column and I want to sort the data by largest to smallest. I just go to sort and filter function and just click on largest to smallest. sort. See, all the data gets arranged in largest to smallest. Okay. Now I'll just do control Z. Now if I want to apply filter for the data, then just select the header or just click control A and just go to sort and filter, click on filter option. See, filter gets applied. And if you want like to choose any filter option, like if you want the particular data, like I want to see investor id 10 data and I want to see of 12 and 14, just you can see those data by filtering out those data. Okay, this is sort and function. I'll just do control Z. So this is enough for today. So in next class we'll come with some more new topics about the Excel. So keep enjoying the video, keep learning and keep supporting me. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos, like my videos, and if you have any doubt then please comment those doubt in the comment section below. I will try to answer those questions. Please share my videos as much as possible so that I will also get motivated and will like uh, upload some more free videos and you can enjoy learning and you can keep sharing. Yeah, thank you so much. Keep enjoying. Bye bye.